Welcome to another episode of the Behind the Automation podcast. I'm so excited to be sharing this one with you because it is results-based. And if you know me, you know that I love results. But first things first, make sure that you subscribe to this channel and click on the bell notification so that you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. Okay, so like I said, I love results and I love sharing the results that I get with you. And in this episode, not only am I going to share with you exactly how I was able to generate 17 free leads and 6 sales in 1 hour from one Facebook post, but I'm also going to share with you the system, the funnel, the actual 3 pages. I'm going to show you screenshots of the 3 pages that I use in my business to actually work this strategy so that you can go and basically model after what I'm doing. Never copy, just model the strategy, because you never want to copy what other people are doing because that's not branding yourself. But it's okay to model after, and that's why I always love sharing my results and my funnels and all the things with you, because I want you to get the results as well. I don't want to be the only one getting results. That's why I created this podcast, so that I can share my results with you so that you can benefit from the results as well. So with that being said, go ahead and click on this link right below this video and tune into the podcast where, again, I'm going to share with you how I was able to generate 17 leads and 6 sales in 1 hour from one Facebook post. I'll see you over there.